Welcome to Kusum.net. This is ASP.NET MVC tutorial. I am Devendra Nikam and you are watching part 29 using data transfer object as the model in MVC. So in this session you will learn how to transfer data object as the model in MVC. Before watching this video, please watch my part 26, 27 and 28. In part 28, I was explained about customizing the auto-generated edit view. Okay. Now in this session you will learn how to transfer data object. For that we will create one class and let's start for it. Okay, we want to generate these types of department and their total count customers. Okay, for that I will create this class and add the method in the controller like this. Okay, so our business requirement is such that we want to display total number of customers by department as shown below. At the moment, either the customer or department class does not have total property. This is one example where a data transfer object can be used as model. Means if there is a changes and we want to display that and that is not in the partial table, then how we can create or display that data? Let's see now. Okay, this is my application. I have this controller. So first I will create one class in the model. So right click on this model, add class, give the name customers total, customers total. So I have add this. Inside of that I will add the two properties, name, public string name, because I required the customer name, get set, and total number of customers. So public integer total, right? Get set. This class is generated. Now I will create a method into the customer controller. This is my customer controller. Same like index method, I will create another method. Okay, but give the name different, customer by total. Okay, and inside of that I will pass variable customers equal to db.customer.include this tbl department. Okay, and then you will use what, dot group by tbl department dot name for that lambda expression x equal to x dot tbl department dot name, right? And then dot select, what to select, the total. So for that y equal to new, where is the total? In that class. What is the name of class? This customer total. So select y equal to new customers total and pass the values like name and total. For that, name equal to key dot name equal to y dot key, okay, and total equal to y dot count, because we want count, right? So count, and this finished. And what you want? You want to list. So to list complete. This my method is complete. I have created this variable. Inside of that included this table department, because I want to get names of the department from TBL department, group it, the name by group by, and then select total. So where to select total? From this customer total class, and we want to generate the key as a from TBL department. So y dot key, but total is not a key. We want to count, so y dot count and dot to list. Okay. Now I will create one index method to view the interface. So customer by total name, and select the template list, because as a list, department list I want to display, and the model class, which class is created? Customers total, and where? In the model. So customers total and web application, name of the application dot models, this one, add it before. Okay, let's go. Why this happened? There was an error running the selected generator. There was an empty a list from another model class. Okay, this TBL department. Okay, using this TBL department, and add. Okay, so what happened? This view is created, and then I have replaced the name. In place of department, I have add this customer total. So this view is generated now, right? Now you can see here I have add this, but this is not good. Control X, in place of this I will add here th, this one. I deleted this one, and delete all this also, and put this also in another TD. So Control X, add this to here. Okay, here there is another TD. Inside of that I pass my total, and we will create no need to create this. Let's go to this division and fix this. Okay, no need, because it is already created. Let's run the program and see what I'm gonna happen. So this is the end of session, and if you like this video, please subscribe it. If you already have subscribed, then please like and share it. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.